Level up your business banking. How to transfer money to Novo. Ever feel like your bank account is stuck in the Stone Age? Paper checks, endless hold times, and fees that make your head spin? Yeah, we've all been there. That's why so many businesses are switching to Novo, the modern business banking solution built for today's entrepreneur. But here's the thing, even the slickest new account needs some cash to get going. So, how do you actually transfer money to your shiny new Novo account? Buckle up, because in this video, we'll break down every single way to fuel your business finances with Novo. Method 1. The classic ACH transfer. This is the bread and butter of business banking. ACH transfers, also known as electronic transfers, let you move money directly between your Novo account and another bank account in the US. Here's the beauty of it, Novo itself doesn't charge any fees for ACH transfers. Now, your other bank might have a different story, so be sure to check their fee schedule. Transferring via ACH is usually a breeze. Just log into your current bank's website or app, navigate to the transfers section, and then select the option to transfer to another bank. Here's the key information you'll need to have on hand. Novo's routing number. This is like your account's zip code, and you can find it easily within the Novo app under the Account tab. Your Novo account number. This is your unique identifier within Novo's system, also readily available in the app. Account holder name. Make sure this matches exactly how your Novo account is registered. Once you've entered this info and selected the amount you want to transfer, double-check everything and hit that send button. Typically, ACH transfers take a few business days to appear in your Novo account, so plan accordingly. Method 2. Mobile deposit magic. Running a business on the go? No problem. Novo's mobile app lets you deposit checks electronically, eliminating the need to wait in line at the bank. Just open the Novo app, tap on the Move Money tab, select Add Money, and choose Deposit a Check. The app will guide you through the process of snapping a clear picture of both the front and back of your check. Here's a quick tip, make sure your check is endorsed properly. On the back, write "For mobile deposit only" and sign your name below it. Once your deposit is submitted, Novo will review it and credit the funds to your account within a few business days. Method 3. Link up your payment processor. If you're using a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal to collect payments from customers, you can connect it directly to your Novo account. This way, whenever a customer pays you, the funds automatically land in your Novo account, streamlining your entire financial flow. The process for connecting your payment processor varies depending on the platform you use, but Novo provides clear instructions within their app and online resources. Method 4. Invoice like a boss. Let's face it, chasing down payments can be a real pain. Novo helps you take control with their built-in invoicing feature. Create professional invoices directly within the Novo app, complete with your business logo and branding. Once you send out an invoice to a client, they can easily pay you electronically through a secure link. These payments will be automatically deposited into your Novo account, saving you time and frustration. Method 5. The power of direct deposit. Set it and forget it. Direct deposit allows you to have your income, payroll, or even recurring payments automatically deposited into your Novo account. This eliminates the need for manual transfers and ensures a steady flow of funds to fuel your business growth. To set up a direct deposit, you'll need to provide your employer or payment source with your Novo account number and routing number. Again, you can easily find this information within the Novo app. Bonus tip: wise up your international transfers. Need to send or receive money internationally? Novo integrates seamlessly with Wise, a service that offers competitive exchange rates and low fees for global transfers. This makes managing your international finances a breeze. So many ways to fuel your Novo account. There you have it. From classic ACH transfers to mobile deposits and integrated invoicing, Novo offers a variety of ways to seamlessly move money into your account. No matter how you run your business, there's a solution that fits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.